This over here is my TikTok account. This over here is the dashboard of my TikTok account. I've generated over $11,000 from this TikTok account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go and make your first $10,000 with TikTok using organic, free, and paid strategies over here. Well, in my case, I only used free strategies. I haven't invested into ads. I haven't paid for TikTok ads or any promotions or anything like that. All of that is from organic free traffic on TikTok. And in today's video, I'm going to show you where you can go and outsource your content if you don't want to make any of your own content yourself. And secondly, I'm going to show you how you should structure your content if you want to produce your own content, which is the way that I recommend, because you probably will grow a lot faster if you create your own content. But either way will work. Just test it out yourself and see what works for you or what you're comfortable with. And using both of these strategies, I was able to generate my first $10,000 from TikTok. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks that I used to make my first $10,000 on TikTok. I'm going to reveal all of it to you here on YouTube completely for free so that you can get started and try this yourself and hopefully make your first $10,000. So the first thing I want to explain in how I got to my first $10,000 is that none of this was through TikTok ad revenue. I'm not monetized on TikTok. I've been using what you call affiliate marketing on TikTok, but in a very unique way that you don't often see on TikTok. So firstly, I just want to show you a little bit of proof on how much I've earned from the strategy. So over here is the affiliate program that I've been using on TikTok and how much I've generated through TikTok traffic. So I just want to show you over here, I've currently got over 6,800 leads, over 40 active leads on this program, and over $11,000 paid out so far. So if I go and reload this, I'll just show you that this is my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. I'll also give you an idea that not only I've earned dollars from this, so you'll see we have earned $11,000 plus over 1,002 euros from the strategy as well, depending on where your leads come from in the world. So the first step is in going to make your first $10,000 on TikTok is we need to find some kind of affiliate program. So I'm going to help you out with this website over here, which is a website I often use to identify excellent categories and niches of affiliate programs that we can go and promote. So if you come over to a website called capterra.com, click on all our categories over here. There's a little orange button and it will take you to a page where you can go and see tons. You'll see I can scroll forever and ever all the way from A to Z of different categories that we can use for TikTok. So for example, if you're an accountant or into finance, you can go and use the accounting niche over here. If you're into, for example, blockchain or cryptocurrencies, you can go and use that category over here. If you're into cars, you can use car rental programs over here. So the best thing about this strategy or this specific website over here is I recommend go and choose a category that you like, something that you love. I mean, I'm sure every one of us have a hobby or some kind of passion that we enjoy. Mine being education, cars, and I would say those two, finance as well. Those are my probably three favorite categories because that's just the type of person I am. So I'm sure you know what you like, you know what your types of passions are. So I recommend go and build a business on TikTok, like I'm going to show you in a bit, around a category that you love, because there's nothing better than making money or building a career out of something that you love. So for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to go and use finance, education, website building, as that's just what I enjoy. But you can go and apply exactly what I'm going to teach you with any niche over here. An affiliate program that I found through capterra.com is called builderall.com. So I've been into web development, building websites, checkouts, dropshipping stores since I can remember, since I was about 15 years old. I found this tool over here, which is an all-in-one funnel builder. We can import done for you campaigns. We can import email automation campaigns where we can execute email marketing. And this tool offers all the following features. We can have done for you funnel builder, chat builder, webinar builder, e-learning, meaning we can create our own membership areas and sell courses. You can design your own mobile apps, create your own booking builder if your business runs on a booking system like a dentist or a doctor. WordPress and WooCommerce for blogs and e-commerce, mailing boss automation, which is your email automation. You can have a WhatsApp automation tool. You can create your own custom emails, a messenger chatbot. So this is an all-in-one online business builder in a box. And I've been promoting this as an affiliate using my TikTok account, which is how I made my first $10,000 with Builderall. So the first thing you want to do is once you've found a product on Capterra, let's, for example, come over to coaching over here. It really doesn't matter. All you want to do is you want to go and copy the name of one of these products, come over to Google and just go and search affiliate or partner program. So you'll see over here, Actuity Scheduling has an affiliate program, so this is a good example that you can go and use. You can go and sign up as an affiliate, and every time you refer someone to their product, you will get paid a commission of $30 every month. So this is a great affiliate program that you can go and use in this specific niche. Now, same thing with Builderall. If I scroll down to the bottom of their website, over here, they've got a page that says affiliates. So I'm going to go and click on affiliates, exact same you would for the product you've chosen. And over here, if I scroll down to the bottom, there will be a page where I can go and sign up as an affiliate and go and grab my affiliate link. So now that you've got your affiliate program and now that you know what product you're going to go and promote, we need to go and learn how to go and structure our content. So in my specific case over here, all I've been doing is I've been teaching people on TikTok how to go and create their own websites, how they can go and create their own funnels, but referring to the features on Builderall. So for example, I would go and create a TikTok, how to create your own WhatsApp automation funnel. I would then literally go and speak on a camera and say, this is how you can create your WhatsApp automation funnel in just 20 seconds. And then what I would go and do is I would go and open up Builderall on my screen and I'd literally go and record with my phone like this, giving the viewers a quick 20 to 30 second tutorial on how they can go and use this entire WhatsApp automation feature over here. And then I would go and post that on TikTok. You'll see over here, for example, this was another one I did with Kartra.com, and you'll see over here, I literally just record my screen on the different steps you should go and take. And doing this, some of my videos have blown up to, this one over here got 1 million views, 11,000, 29,000. And all I go and do is I leave a link to a YouTube video, which gives a longer tutorial on Builderall. And in that YouTube video, I have my affiliate link to Builderall. So that way I've been getting tons of signups through TikTok. You can also put your direct affiliate link in your bio over here if you want to. So the way I would produce my content would obviously be very different to you because it depends on your niche. You need to structure content differently depending on your niche. So the easiest way to go and identify how you should go and create your content is just come over to TikTok and go and search your particular category or niche. For example, let's say we're talking about accounting. You want to come over to TikTok, go and search accounting on TikTok and just take a look at how other people are creating their videos with regards to accounting. And you want to go and do something very similar. You want to go and follow these people, these accountants, replicate and piggyback their style of content, which will give you a million ideas on how you should construct your content. So let's, for example, go and use the bakery niche. We can go and search up on TikTok, bakery, and have a look at how they're structuring their content. And you want to do the same and just leave an affiliate link to your bakery affiliate program in the link in your TikTok bio. And the best part about the strategy that I've been using is I haven't spent any money on ads. I haven't used TikTok paid ad strategy. All of this is from free organic traffic that TikTok has given my page. So in a nutshell, you're creating your TikTok account in any one of these niches over here from capterra.com. You want to go and search this particular category on TikTok and go and have a look at how people are creating this content. Go and choose from some of the most viral videos and go and replicate your own type of video in that style. You never want to go and copy any TikTok word for word. You don't want to go and repost TikToks. You want to go and create it in your own unique way. And then a second way that I want to go and show you is if you come over to Instagram.com, we can actually go and outsource content off Instagram and just go and credit pages on TikTok. So for example, let's come over to bakery over here. And we specifically want to go and search for Instagram Reels. So let's, for example, just go and search the bakery life hashtag and we can go and find pages in this particular niche. This video over here is an entire recipe on how to make these little muffin buns or whatever you want to call it. So over here is just the recipe in a different language, which you can go and translate on Google Translate. You then want to come over to a website called iggram.io. Just go and search that on Google. It'll be the first link over here. Go and paste the link and you can go and download this from Instagram. And you want to go and repost this on TikTok. Just give credit to the original page over here, which in this case is called bread.page. And you can go and sell some kind of affiliate program in the bakery niche, or whether it's a recipe guide, you can go and sell it on your TikTok page. And that way you can make a ton of money if that video gets a lot of views just off TikTok views and your recipe guide that you're selling on TikTok. And you will soon discover how easy it is to actually scale to your first $10,000. I'm also going to show you how you can even step up your game even more. So what I've been doing is with my affiliate marketing program, specifically Builderall over here, I've been creating my own funnels in Builderall to promote Builderall on TikTok, if that makes sense over here. So on my Builderall dashboard, what I did was I came over to the Cheetah website builder. I'll come over to one of my website examples. If I come over here to NFT funnel, which was an NFT funnel that I made, and I click on edit site. This was an entire funnel and membership area that I created with Builderall that I was selling that would teach people in depth in about 57 videos how to create their own e-commerce stores, how to set up their domains, how to create PayPal and integrate that into their checkouts, Stripe card payments, all sorts of a very in-depth course on how you can go and create your own e-com stores and drop servicing stores. And this over here, I would also plug into my TikTok page over here, teaching people basic website tips. And if they would want to get more in-depth tutorials, they could come over to this landing page here. And if they wanted to go and get this entire program, they could go and join this. And that way I was using that to go and monetize my TikTok page. So there are all sorts of ways that you can go and make money on TikTok. But the best way I recommend is either go and create your own membership area or go and use an affiliate product and just provide tons of value on TikTok. Like I just focus on value. I don't even, in most of my TikTok, I don't even cold promote my affiliate program. I just leave it at that. People then follow my page and they naturally click on my links out of curiosity. So that way I was able to generate my first $10,000 on TikTok, which just provide value in a specific niche. And you can get all your ideas over here from capzero.com. Go and search up this type of content on TikTok, have a look at what the big boys are doing in this niche and the types of content they're creating so that you can go and piggyback that and create that in your own style. And some of your videos, even most of them, will get tons of views doing that. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave two playlists on the screen over here. One called How to Make Money on TikTok, where I've gone really in depth on how you can go and build a business out of TikTok. And one over here called Carter.com, which will teach you how to go and create your own funnels, your own landing pages, your own membership areas, your own email automation campaigns, which is a great strategy and method I recommend you use to plug into your affiliate marketing business with TikTok. So what I recommend is go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.